Nope. Okay. So I've been out, just hanging out all week. I've been prepping for Coachella. I'm not sure if I ever mentioned, but we got last minute Coachella wristbands, so Fernando and I are very excited to attend. So therefore this week has been a lot of preparation, prepping, and thrift shopping. I can't think about a more fun way than to actually celebrate Earth Day than with pre-loved items. Coachella is such a big, creative, artistic festival. Having fun with your looks, having fun with just your plan, your vision overall, just meshes everything together. It just goes from the outfit you get to wear, from the hairstyle that you're gonna have, to maybe the polish on your nails. I really want to focus on my aesthetic, what my favorite accessories are body-wise, and also based on my skin tone, and what just fits well and lands with me and what my fashion style, sense of style is. I try to stick with neutrals. I feel like, yeah, that is safe, but also that's just what complements my skin, and that's just what I enjoy. I love neutrals. I love how it falls on my skin. I intentionally have highlights because I just feel like it brightens up my skin, and that's just my go-to. Gold is my go-to. These are pieces that I picked up this week. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's a piece that I'm going to wear for Coachella, but I just wanted to share pretty much just like how I go about selecting my style, selecting my look for the week, or just selecting my style for the event, and how it's inspired. Okay, make sure that we capture it all. So this is this. I am kind of obsessed with this one. I think it's giving mom in my 30s with hubby. Again, you can accessorize it, add layers to it. I could totally see myself doing that. And I would probably do the boots. No, will not do Coachella with this, but I could potentially create. I am definitely process from the front. Kind of elevates this look. I mean, it just makes it look fun. Right? Everything and everything works here. Again, it just goes back to owning your pieces. Like, what do you like? This is pretty much it. Add a bow to your tool. Like, I don't know, are you a princess? Are you, what is your style? Anything goes. Like, play with all of it, and I promise you that it'll be the best thing that you can do for yourself. So, that's it. Actually, I should have just been filming with this all along, because I'm not wearing makeup. I am not going to wear makeup. Anyway.